Hi, my name is John. I want to tell you about a place called Children's Hospitals. I know this place very well. This is the dude. He's on TV here at the hospital. They have their own channel called Star Studio. Kids can watch from their rooms and call into the show to play games. You can win prizes, and they have really cool equipment. There are other cool places at the hospital too. There's the Child Life Zone, the libraries, pet therapy, music therapy, sibling play, and lots of others. All these programs can use our help, but what can we do? Well, it starts with change. No, dude, not that kind of change. This is the kind of change I mean. There are so many ways we can raise money. Yard sales, a lemonade stand, or doing chores for extra money. Every penny will go to children's hospitals. Together, we kids can make a difference. It makes sense.
Sense. Good one, bro.